In this video, I explain to you the most important 2 marks problems from the chapter differential equations. How to find the order and degree of the given differential equation, the most important concept. So first, before starting the problems, let us discuss about the definitions. Now, what is the order and degree of the differential equations? Order means the order of the differential equation is the order of the highest derivative in the given equation. That is, for example, if we have the equation d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus 4 is equal to 0. Suppose this is the differential equation, then what is the order of this equation? Highest derivative. That is, in this equation, highest derivative is equal to 2. So this is the order of the given differential equation. Order means we have to take the highest derivative term in the given equation. Order of the highest derivative in the given equation. And degree of the differential equation means this is the power of the highest derivative. So see here, d square y by dx square, there is no power to this term, means here we have the power 1 here. So degree is equal to 1. Order means order of the highest derivative, and degree means power of the highest derivative term. That is called the degree of the differential equation. But here we have one condition to tell about the degree. What is that condition? Here the equation must be polynomial equation in the derivatives. The equation must be polynomial equation in the derivatives. Like that, equation must contain this form. This is in the polynomial form with least derivative terms. Then only we can tell the degree of the differential equation. So these are the most important formulas. Finding the order and degree of the differential equations, this is the very important question. Guaranteed 2 marks question comes from this model in the public examination. So the question, find the order of the differential equation and degree of the differential equation. Now here I explain some of the problems finding the order and degree of the given differential equation. So the first question, see here, this is the first question. dy by dx is equal to x power 1 by 2 by y power 1 by 2 into 1 plus x power 1 by 2. So first I write the given equation here. Given equation is dy by dx is equals to x power 1 by 2 by y power 1 by 2 into 1 plus x power 1 by 2. So directly we can tell the order and degree to this equation. So order is equals to dy by dx. Here we have only one derivative, that is order is equal to 1. And degree is equal to the power of this term. There is no power, means here we have the power 1, dy by dx power 1, that is degree is equal to 1. Highest derivative and power of the highest derivative. So order is equal to 1 and degree is equal to 1 to this equation. Now the next question, second question, d square y by dx square is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square power 5 by 3. So to find the order and derivative to this equation, so see here, this is not in the form of the polynomial equation. Polynomial equation means it doesn't contain the radical powers here. So first of all, we have to eliminate this radical power from this equation. That is 5 by 3. Means here we apply that cubing on both sides to this equation to remove this by 3 term. That is, the first step is cubing on both sides to this equation. That is, d square y by dx square whole cube is equals to 1 plus dy by dx whole square power 5 by 3 whole cube power 5 by 3 whole cube. Now here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So this is equal to d square y by dx square whole cube is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square power 5. So here at the right hand side we have the radical power. So to remove this by 3 term, first of all we have to take the cubing on both sides. After that we will get the equation like that. Now this equation we can tell the order and degree. Therefore order is equals to, order means highest derivative, dy by dx d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square means here we have the order is equal to 2. This is the highest derivative, order is equal to 2, and degree is equal to power of the highest derivative. Here d square y by dx square power is equal to 3, that is degree is equal to 3. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem. 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square is equal to 2 plus dy by dx whole square power 3 by 2. Here also in this equation we have the radical power 3 by 2. First of all we have to eliminate this power to tell about the degree. So to remove the radical power here we have to apply the power 2 to this equation. 3 by 2 into 2, that is it becomes 3. So first step is squaring on both sides. So the first step is squaring on both sides, then we get 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square is equals to 2 plus dy by dx whole square power 3 by 2 whole square. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so the equation becomes 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square is equals to 2 plus dy by dx whole square whole cube. So this is the equation. Now we have to tell the degree and order to this equation. Therefore order is equals to, order means highest derivative. This is dy by dx term, this is d square y by dx square. d square y by dx square means order is equal to 2 and degree is equal to, degree means the power of the highest derivative. Here power is equal to 2 into 2 equals to 4, that is degree is equal to 4. So first of all, to eliminate the radical power from the given equation we have to do that squaring on both sides to this equation. After that we can take the order and degree to the given differential equation. Next problem, d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus 5 is equal to log of dy by dx. Now here therefore order is equals to, in this equation what is the highest derivative, d square y by dx square, that is equals to 2. But see here this is not the polynomial equation, since here we get the term log of dy by dx. So since this is not the polynomial equation we can't tell the degree to this differential equation, that is degree of the differential equation is not defined to this equation, since this is not the polynomial equation of the dy by dx. Degree is not defined since it is not the polynomial equation. To the polynomial equation only we can find the degree of the equation, we can define the degree of the equation. Since this is not the polynomial equation in dy by dx we can't tell about the degree of this equation. So this is the reason. Next question, dy by dx power 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Now first forming the polynomial equation, that is first applying the power 4 here, that is then we get dy by dx power 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square power 1 by 3 is equal to 0. First I apply the power 4 to this equation, then we get the equation like that. Now writing the second term to this side, that is it becomes dy by dx power 1 by 2 is equals to minus d square y by dx square power 1 by 3. Now to remove the radical powers to both sides of this equation we have to apply the power 6 to this equation, that is dy by dx power 1 by 2 whole power 6 is equals to minus d square y by dx square power 1 by 3 whole power 6. To remove the radical powers on both sides to this equation we have to apply the power 6. Then what we get is becomes dy by dx whole cube minus power 6, that is becomes plus, and this becomes d square y by dx square power 2, 1 by 3 into 6 power 2. Therefore it becomes the polynomial equation. Therefore order is equals to highest derivative d square y by dx square, that is 2, and degree is equals to power of the highest derivative, that is also equals to 2. So answer is equal to 2, 2. That's all.